7th District Representative Abigail Spanberger is introducing a new bill to help the truck driver shortage in Virginia. According to the American Trucking Associations, in 2021, America was down 80,000 truck drivers, leading to supply chain issues. This new bill would give truck drivers a tax credit and experienced drivers a financial incentive to continue driving.
In order for us to really combat the shortages, the supply chain disruptions, and the rising costs that families and businesses have been facing, we need to attract and retain more skilled drivers to the American trucking industry. And so this bill works to get at this.
The Strengthening Supply Chains Through Truck Driver Incentives Act is a bipartisan effort.